Hello, this is Wendy Camarena, and this is my presentation on the copyright lesson using the Assure model. So here is my lesson overview. The title of the lesson is called Respecting Creativity Through Copyright. My target grade is 4th grade, and I would consider the subject to be digital literacy, but it could also fall into social studies. The learners that I am targeting are 4th grade students. And in my experience, 4th grade students have diverse learning styles, visual, auditory, kinesthetic. They're familiar with basic internet use, and they do have some understanding of what ownership is. At this age, students can identify basic forms of media, such as books, music, movies. They also have a basic understanding of rules and fairness and incorporate visual aids. And I would incorporate visual aids, hands-on activities, and group discussions to cater to the diverse learning styles that are present in 4th grade students. So this is Analyze Learners. The state objectives are students will define copyright and explain its purpose. Students will identify examples of copyrighted works, and students will create their own original work and apply a copyright symbol to it. Select methods, media, and materials. The methods I would use under the Assure model would be to have interactive discussion, brainstorming, think, pair, share, a creative activity, and a mini presentation at the end. The media that would be used would be a whiteboard or a projector, or whatever technology that is available to present on. Markers, chart paper, examples of copyrighted work such as books, music, images, art supplies like paper, crayons, and markers, and a copyright symbol handout. The materials that I would use in this lesson are computer with internet access for showing age-appropriate videos or online resources. Utilize media and materials. So I would start with a brainstorming session. I would pose the question, what are some things that you create? And hopefully I would get back some answers like drawings, stories, songs, even dances. And we would discuss what it means to own something. Then I would transition to the concept of owning ideas and creations. And again, knowing that they have these basic understandings will help in them understanding copyright. I would then introduce the term copyright using simple language and relatable examples. Copyright is like a special rule that protects people's creations like books, music, and even video games, so others can't just copy them without permission. Then I would show the copyright symbol and explain its meaning. Next, I would divide students into small groups, provide each group with examples of different creative works, again, using the book, the song, the drawing examples, and have them discuss how they think copyright applies to each of these. After this, I would have each student create a simple drawing or write a short story. I would guide them to add the copyright symbol to their work, briefly discuss how this now represents their own original creation by doing a presentation at the end of this lesson. For the R under the Assure model, require learner participation, we would do think, pair, share. So this would encourage active participation, where students discuss their understanding of copyright with a partner before sharing with the class. This would require a group activity, small group exploration of the copyrighted works, as mentioned previously, would promote collaborative learning and deeper understanding. The creative activity is hands-on activity of creating and copywriting their own work. This would solidify that they understand what copyright means and encourages a personal connection to the concept of copyright. This is the rubric that I would use for evaluate. So I just made it very simple on a 3-point scale. The criteria is the original work, the application of the copyright symbol, and being able to tell me what it means, and then the presentation aspect at the end of the lesson. So this is my copyright lesson using the Assure model. Thank you.